A hand grenade was found this morning at the Assam Rifles transit camp located near Minuthung under IMPHAL police station. The bomb was found under a water tank kept near the southern wall of the transit camp at around 8:15 am as per a report. It is worth recalling that a militant group exploded a hand grenade at this same Assam Rifles transit camp on the evening of March 10th last, injuring a Jawan. Social worker Khagokpa Khamba, an intending candidate of the forthcoming Manipuri State Assembly election, has said that Khurai constituency is one of the most backward constituencies in IMPHAL East district. Khamba was handing over a newly repaired Chongarao wooden bridge at Khabaisoi under Khurai constituency to the public today. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar said that the masses must be made aware of every government-sponsored schemes. He was attending a health and nutrition campaign held today at City Convention Centre in Palace Compound, jointly organized by Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Manipur and Department of Social Welfare. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Professor S.T. Ken along with other BJP office bearers got COVID-19 vaccine today at Jennings Vaccination Ward. Taking part in the party-level vaccination, Tiken assured that the vaccination will continue to be a success. Troops of Assam Rifles Loktak Battalion under the aegis of Churachandpur sector conducted an awareness program on various welfare schemes launched by the Center for the Benefit of Northeast People of Sampanjan village of Bisnupur district today. The program was to educate the local populace and make them aware of the facilities. MEETEI Council MOREH MCM celebrated its 27th Foundation Day at the Council office today. Council President M. Thoibas, General Secretary and Inaucha, office bearers and representatives of other organizations attended the celebration. Teaching and non-teaching staffs of top DUSARA Government High School felicitated Thokchom Nikhil, who bagged gold medal in the Waco India Federation Cup 2020 held at Dehradun from February 17 to 10th last. Thokchom Nikhil Singh is the son of Thokchom Prameshwar Singh of Moirang Kampu Sajep Makhalikai. He studies in class 7 at Top Government DUSARA High School, Top IMPHAL East. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited a special exhibition near Abhaighat in Ahmedabad today. While taking part in the Amrut Mahotsav program in Gujarat, reports added that Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav event today by flagging off a 241-mile march from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad to Dundee in Gujarat's Navsari district.